Good morning, everybody. We have a bird feeder now and a crazy squirrel. We have a couple male and female cardinals that come in the evening that eat, and we have two blue jays that have been eating out of it, and a woodpecker, a real pretty woodpecker so far. So this squirrel is crazy. There he goes. I guess he's had enough. There's Max. He's being good, not barking at the squirrel because the roommate's still sleeping. He's been good. Lily? Hello, girl. You okay? She looks like she's sick or something. There's Gracie. There's Gracie. Here is a pie that I made yesterday. It is apple, strawberry, and blueberry. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I don't know. I'm always getting too runny. I put flour in. I didn't have any tapioca, but it's good. It tastes really good. Oh, she's okay. She's wanting to go outside. No, you can't go outside. Here's my garden. It's looking good. I am going to put up a tent today. It might be a little windy, but I'm going to just get in there like a couple hours and look at the stars tonight. It has an open roof on it. I'll put it next to the house. Last time I put it next to the barn, and some coyotes were interested in Max because I always have him with me. So I'll put it next to the house here. It'll be a lot safer. That's the only thing I worry about. This neighborhood's very safe. I'm sorry, Lily. Well, if I let her out, they get sick. Here comes the sun. Do-do-do-do. Here comes the sun. It's pretty this morning. I'm going to take my chair over there and I'm going to lay out in the sun a little bit. Today I put some sunscreen on, but I need to get out of the house. And they canceled my surgery until further notice. And I guess everybody, because the hospitals are having problems down here, and he just didn't want me to take the chance of getting that virus after surgery. I don't know. I've got something growing here. I'm not sure what it is. I hope it's one of those seeds that I put in there from the star fruit. I'd love to have a star fruit tree. And there's the garlic. I just put them all in the same one. See what happens. It is going to rain next week, so I'm excited about that. We haven't had rain in I don't know how long. And I need to get these in the ground, but I've been waiting because the ground is so hard. These are the soursop trees. They're looking good. There's 3 of them. They look good. I need to put some water on my lily over there. I know, Lily. All right, I'll let you out. And there goes Gracie, too. They'll be okay. Gracie stays really close to the house. Lily kind of roams a little bit. What you think, Max? I think I'm going to put the trees over here in the yard, kind of scatter them a little bit, and maybe put one over here. I'm not sure. But I have to, figure it out so that it's not too hard for the guy to mow the grass. He mows it with one of those riding lawnmowers. And I think he'll probably hate me for putting trees out, but I think we need... I had a grapefruit tree out there and it died. So it was really nice to have a tree in the middle of the yard. There's the squirrel. He's back. He's crazy. Sometimes the blue jays chase him away. If anybody has an idea of some kind of art project I could do with sea glass, let me know. I don't maybe I could make necklaces or something. I have so much of it. I have a bunch of green down here. I don't know if you can see it. That whole bucket's almost full of green. And then that's full of brown here. Sea glass. And that one's full of brown too. There's a lot of brown sea glass around. It's neat though. They closed the beaches here, and they're closing the dog park. I don't know when. I heard it yesterday when we were at the dog park. They said that was going to be closing. So I may try to take Max on one of the trails. They have to look for ticks when I get back, because there's ticks in those woods. And he usually gets one or two on him when he comes out. But I don't know if they're going to close that too. Really no place to go. They're trying to make everybody stay home. So I hope everybody out there is doing good, taking care of yourself. There's Blue Jay. There's my purple bush. I love it. It's really blooming pretty. Here's Kelly, and when I walk by, she grabs me. Yeah. She wants something to eat, I guess. That's not a good way to get something to eat.
Squirrels don't.
Gracie's back in, hunting some food. There's Max's happy face. He's gonna get fed. Green Acres is on, guys. That's a funny show. Nope, she ate. Now it's time for a nap. This floor out here is a mess. There's Lily. Alright, guys, there's the woodpecker. I hope I can get him without scaring him off. I think he's on the bird feeder. He's on the other side. There he is. See him in the tree right there? That red head on him. Oh, here comes some more birds. Don't move, Max. We can't scare him off. The blue jay. Yeah, that woodpecker. I've got a birdhouse out there, and he made the hole bigger. And I don't know, but he had a family up in that. He put a hole up in that barn there, if you can see it, a couple years ago. And he kept going in there feeding his family. So cute. That thing's about to fall down anyway, so it didn't matter if he put a hole in the thing. They won't let us go in it because the floor's falling through, so they got the door locked. It'd be nice to have storage if somebody could fix it up, put some stuff in there, make it an art room or something. Oh, he's on the other side, guys. Oh, there he went. He's picking on the tree. I think they get something to eat out of the trees. I'm not sure. Hope I'm not boring you guys to death. I love watching birds. Wish I could get closer. He's really pretty. I don't know if you can see, but he's got stripes on his back, his feathers. They're camera shy. There's a black one on there now. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on here. Not much. We're quarantined in the house, so. And I'm hoping my doctor calls me back soon. And we'll talk about why he canceled my appointment. So we'll see you guys soon. Love you all very much. You all take care now. Bye-bye.